Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the LCN number 1460-30A. This is a mounting plate assembly. And really all this is, and LCN has had a couple of other closers I can think of that have specialty mounting brackets. This is a bracket by which you will use and be required to use to get the body installed onto the surface that you're installing it onto, the door or the header, naturally. So this is a bracket, and there is a link below this video to the installation instructions and the parts drawing. The installation instructions show it very simply in step 3 that you're going to locate the bracket. The shape there's in the installation instructions is a little bit different than the bracket we've got. But the parts drawing shows it like we have here. So the bracket's going to go down to the door. Your closer body is literally going to sit onto these prongs, and then the other end of the closer body is what you'll secure to the door or to the header. Overall height of the bracket, and that's what this video really is, visual and dimensional evidence of the bracket. Help you determine if this is the part that you need. Overall height, about 1 9/16 inches. Overall width of the mounting portion, about 11/16. The center of those two screws, that ought to be on the installation instructions, I'd imagine, this location. Looks like it's about 1 inch. Okay, you're going to have a total projection of these two prongs out to about 1 1/4. A total projection of about 1/2 inch. From the base to the end of that prong, as you can see, looks like it's about 9/16 of an inch. Okay, made of steel, as demonstrated earlier with the magnet, zinc plated for corrosion resistance. Okay, the parts drawing will show the other possible pieces that you may need for the body itself. You know, the arm nut, the different covers that are there. Part number 7 is a shaft cover. You know, that would, yeah, you'd probably want the shaft cover as well. Then the installation instructions literally go through the step-by-step of installing the item to the door. Very simple and straightforward sort of installation. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the LCN products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the LCN 1460-30A? This is a mounting plate or any other LCN product. Please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.